Alright, so look, surviving these days pretty much means getting comfortable with AI and automation. You gotta learn how to build those AI agents and actually get stuff done productively. And n8n is one of those really popular automation tools everyone's talking about right now. The best part is it's open source, meaning you can actually use it for free. So, I'm gonna walk you through installing it on your own computer without spending a dime. First step, pop over to the official Docker website. Link is in the description. We need Docker Desktop to run n8n. Think of Docker like a neat container system that lets apps run smoothly without messing up your whole computer. It bundles everything n8n needs into one tidy package. Just click Download Docker Desktop and pick the version that matches your operating system. I'm using Windows, so that's the one I grabbed. It's about 580 megabytes, so go grab a coffee while it downloads. Once it's finished downloading, double-click that installer file, hit OK, and let it do its thing. It usually takes some time. When it's done, close that window. Now, you might need to restart your computer for Docker to work right. Seriously, don't skip restarting. After you boot back up, you should see a Docker Desktop shortcut. Open it up. The first time you run it, it'll ask you to accept their agreement. Go ahead and accept that. Stick with the recommended settings, click Finish, and if it asks you to sign in or do a survey, you can just skip both. No need for extra hassle. Okay, now let's get n8n itself. Inside Docker Desktop, find the Images tab. Click it, then click Search Images to run. Search for n8n. You'll see the official image at the top. It has over 100 million downloads. Click the Pull button to download it. Once that's done, click Images again, and it'll show up in your list of images. Next, click the little play icon saying Run next to that n8n image. You'll want to expand the settings by clicking the drop-down arrow. Give your container a simple name, like just n8n. Then, set the port number to 5678. Quick tip here, if n8n doesn't open later, just delete this container and try running it again using a different port, maybe 5688. Now, for the host path, that's where your n8n files will live. Click the three dots and pick a folder you want to use. I made one called n8n at the desktop, so I'll pick that. For the container path, type in /home/node/n8n. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. Click Run, and Docker will get n8n installed on your machine. This bit only takes a few seconds. When you see a message saying Editor is now accessible via localhost 5678, click that link and it should open in your browser. Time to make your owner account. Fill in your email, first name, last name, and pick a password. Hit Next, skip the optional questions if you want, and then tap Get Started. You'll also get an offer to unlock n8n's paid features for free. Just pop your email in there, click Send me a free license key. Check your inbox for the email, and click the Activate button. This will activate your free features. You can also copy the key and go to Usage and Plan in Settings. And paste key to activate manually. And that's basically it. You're all installed and ready to start building some cool automation workflows. Oh, if you hit an error like, "This site can't be reached," don't sweat it. Just hop back into Docker Desktop, go to the Containers tab, find your n8n container, and click the Start icon to restart it. Give it a few seconds, then refresh your browser page. Your dashboard should pop right up. Hope this walkthrough helps you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate a like and maybe a subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment saying liked too so I know it helped and I can thank you personally. Alright, take care and see you next time.